Let's start with the mean. What is the mean for a Bernali distribution, right? So is the accepted value of x is nothing but summation of I is equal to 0 to k is k multiplied by k. This is a for a mean mean of a Bernali, right? It's similarly we talk about the median. Median is a vary in between if 0 if the p is equal to 1 by 2, right? It's mean q, right? It's vary between 0 to 1 if p is equal to 1 by 2. It's mean p is equal to q, and is a median is 1 if p is greater than 1 by 2. It's mean p less than q. This is for a median for the Bernali distribution. This concept you want understand easily, that will help you most, right? And similarly, if talk about the mode is for the mode p value will for a mode p is greater than q. It means p is a mode, otherwise q is a mode. This is simple formula for the mean, median and mode for a Bernali distribution, right? Similarly, we talk about the variance, right? Similarly, we talk about the variance. Okay, we talk about the variance. Then if k is equal to 0 and k is equal to 1, right? In that case, the variance is nothing but summation of so minus nu square divided by n right? This is formula for variance. This is formula for variance. Its mean usage that in simple term is formula for the variance is nothing but p1 minus p. This is formula for variance. And we talk about the standard deviation. For standard deviation is nothing but under root p1 minus p. This is formula for standard deviation. So all set.